1994 Chevrolet Silverado regular cab 4x4 half-ton pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, only a 3-owner truck. 99,887 on the odometer at the moment. 5-liter, 305 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the chrome bright work up front grille. Paint coat of 38 bright teal. It's the tan interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the paint shows well in this truck considering age. Bridgestone radials, correct Chevrolet wheels. And take a look down this passenger side. You can see around the wheel wells, not full of corrosion, rust, anything coming through. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. And take a look at these lower rockers, especially the cab corner. You can also see the original tape on the front of that bed to the rear, up and around the rear wheel well. Matching tires at all 4 corners, it looks like. You can see those panels are nice and straight too. You can tell adult owned, driven, well maintained. Fiberglass topper already on there, bed liner installed. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The chrome in the rear bumper, receiver hitch with the tow package. There's a couple extra set of tires, or I should say 1 set, 2 tires that are going to go along with it. Some wheel trim pieces and kind of a cargo organizer, I guess, if you will. You can slide that all the way across the bed, so if you have something in there, it doesn't slide all the way up to the front. Seen that used before, works well. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Let's take a peek down this driver's side. If you like Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Also has that protective tape. Couple little small, just a couple of small nicks along the driver's side. Sorry about the noise in the background. Have a little business going on in the detail department, let's put it that way. Power windows, power locks, so modern equipment, of course. Silverado package, tilt column, cruise control. There's your exact miles, 99,887. And again, clean Carfax, 3-owner vehicle. Take a look at the top of the dash. Looks good. No check engine lights, anything like that on. I did notice, and I see this quite a bit on this style of truck. So, stereo's working. You can hear the radio and everything fine. But you'll see them where this readout screen sometimes is intermittent and what have you, but the radio works just fine. You can always use seek and scan. I just want to point that out. AC blows cold. Cassette player also. Seating surfaces, great shape. Look at this. Looks like stock seats too. Headliner looking good. Door closes and fits nicely. Let's take a listen. Sounds like a stock truck with a 5-liter 305 1994 vintage. Just what you'd expect it to sound like. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood so we can check out the engine bay. And then remember, stick around to the very end of this video, and Jason's going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, here we go. Hood open. Get a good look at the underside of the hood and hood liner and engine bay. Clean, tidy engine bay. 1994. Looks like it does have a newer compressor on it. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. It's gonna make somebody a nice truck. A lot of life left in this one. Appears to be awful solid also. 1994 Chevrolet Silverado, regular cab, 4x4 half ton. Call us, 507-386-1726. Remember, clean Carfax, actual miles. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1994 Chevrolet K1500 4x4 pickup truck. Very nice condition truck. This color interior I don't know that I've seen before. It's nice, kind of darker tan, clay almost. It's a good color combo. We've got the cup holders that flip out of the dash, which is a little bit later model of this body style feature. AC blows cold on this car. This truck, I should say. The oil pressure is approximately 60 psi. The temperature gauge is pretty low, but it has moved. Say it's showing approximately 120. The fuel gauge is almost full, and the battery is charging at 14 volts. The stereo appears to be working well. Windshield wipers also functioning. Nice smooth ride from this truck. I always like this body style. Feels like a truck. Bench seat with fold down armrest for the driver. Also a little lesser popular seat. A little harder to find. Good condition cloth. Good condition dash. Brakes are nice and smooth. Steering wheel doesn't even have much for wear. This is an automatic on the column, so it's super easy to drive. Corners nicely. It doesn't lean much in the corners. Nice tight steering. Kick down does work on that transmission. Fairly stock sound to this truck. If you're looking for a good condition 1994 4x4 Chevy truck, this is the one for you. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.